You're so yesterday, I don't know if I'm gonna upload it. I mean, I might upload some clips, but my eye was fucking hurting like shit. I don't know why. So this eye has been yo, why does this mic keep fucking just stay right here, bro? Anyway, ever since I got scratched by my dog, the optometrist said your eye has like a big scratch on it, and you need to put apply this eye Vaseline, which I do have, that I have to apply on every night, and I haven't been doing it ever since like a year ago. So I'm just now really understanding how to really apply it. So you can only apply it when you're asleep, but I applied it today. So it's like a goo that you just put in your eye, and it blinds you for a couple minutes. That was weird. Why start like that? If y'all are hip to Fora, some sad boy music, you know what I'm saying? It'd be like that every day, but you can't be a pussy about it. Yo, anybody gonna watch the new Transformers movie? The Rise of the Beast. I'm trying to watch that tomorrow, dude, on my day off. The Popo. Guys, there are bad cops, there are good cops. My rule of thumb is, if you feel any hostility towards them, just listen to them. You don't gotta argue, man. You don't gotta, just let your ego down, bro. Ego kills you, bro. The amount of times where, I'm not saying that, you know, all white people or black people or Asian people or this or that, but you know, everybody has their stereotypes for a reason, and I believe it. I mean, obviously you can break the stereotype, but you still have it. I will always you know, it's just whatever, it's just life. Don't know where I'm going with that conversation, but just treat everybody with respect. That's all I say. Don't know if y'all can hear that through the mic. She sounds purty. Very nice. Don't you love when people do that? They only use 2 fingers. Don't worry, Ravi. RAV4, Raviola. I mean ravioli. I said raviola. I'm just chilling, boss. Okay, the eye is feeling good today. I don't want to jinx it though, but yeah. Keep on standing through this turn, boys. That was fun. Y'all ever just stand on the bike? Like with the sport bike, I was never able to stand. But with this, man, I can literally just stand all day and it's so comfortable. It's so comfortable, dude. What the fuck is this shit? That's too fun, bro. I was watching a couple YouTube videos from some people, and they're saying how this year, or like recently too, riders are like dying more. And guys, I just want to say, ride safe, guys. It may look cool like what people do and like maybe like what I do on camera, but man, this is your life at the end of the day, you know. And I was watching this like beginner rider on his brand new super sport, his XSR 660, or I don't know too much about Suzuki's. Not too much about XSRs, you know. So, but I think it was like a 600, 660, 600. So I forget. But man, the way he was riding was just, bro. He couldn't. It was just scary watching him ride, bro. And like, I just pray that he and all the new riders are good, you know. SB6. What is that? Super Bowl 6? What's that smell? It smells good. Someone grilling up some meat. Like, new riders, please practice slow riding first before you go fast. It's easy to go fast, but it's way more difficult to go slow and to control the speed, right? Go to a parking lot, man. Go to... Just practice, guys. Just stay safe out there, okay? Damn, bruh. I just don't want anybody to, you know, like, the riding community is nice, man. Like, we don't want nobody to die in this. You're doing something that you love. You know what I'm saying? Bro, what is... Everybody is just driving slow today. rush to go in the traffic, man. Like, I just wait there. You know what I'm saying? Riders. Nice Beamer.